Cruzada, ha? Take a look, Paulo Cruzada, ha? If me and Jerick Silva were right, oh, I will take a read if the ISIS the Philippines were already defeated. Take a look, oh, the ISIS-linked group in the Philippines have significantly weakened and fragmented following the 2017 Marawi siege, with the major leader neutralized the subsequent operation, while the Philippine government and military successfully degraded their capabilities of the remnant of ISIS-inspired groups such as Dawla Islamiyah, or also known as Maute Group, even the Abu Sayyaf. Oh, what you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? If you are an ISIS wannabe, Paulo Cruzada, I know you are special. Do not promote terrorism. You know what I was told by Lawrence Villawan, even Jerick Silva. Oh, at least I listened to Lawrence Villawan, I listened to Jerick Silva. Oh, remember, they don't like terrorism. Alright? Ayaw nila mga puro terorismo. Like, what 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 I realize, Paulo Cruzada, do not spread terrorism. Even you, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, please, all of you, don't sympathize with the pathetic fucking ISIS. ISIS, or Islamic State of Iraq and Syria, they are radical. They are anti-Shia Muslim. They are anti-Christians. They are anti-Christ. They are anti-Shia. Oh, that's not a teachings of Jesus and Imam Mahdi. Oh, that's not a teachings. For me, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, and Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, do not promote terrorism like ISIS. ISIS is really a radical terrorist group. Oh, I do not promote terrorism to all of you. Like I said before to all of you, all of you, I'm saying, I'm not promoting terrorism. Like I said, oh, whenever I say terrorism, I am not here to promote ISIS. Oh, like saying ISIS, you said it, what's the word? What does Paulo Cruzada says? He said that sabugin kong Davao City, sabugin kong Metro Manila, even in the out of country, in the Philippines, even in Japan, Tokyo, Osaka, Nagoya, even Tehran. At least in Iran, he did not mention Shiraz, and even Isfahan. Or he did not mention. He mentioned about Russia. He mentioned Moscow. He mentioned about Debrant. At least he did not mention Grozny. You know Grozny? That's a part of the Chechnya. That's a part of Russia. Oh, he did not mention. He still mentioned all countries, even Beijing, even Hong Kong, even Macau, Shenzhen, China. What the hell is wrong with this Paulo Cruzada? Even he mentioned about Frankfurt. He mentioned about Berlin in Germany. At least he did not mention Hamburg. He didn't mention Stuttgart. Oh, I mean, I never been in Germany in first time. Oh, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting ISIS. Joseph Maspinas had told to his uncle to spread the checkpoint, even the military, even the police, to spread the checkpoint. Paulo Cruzada, that your goddamn ISIS, do not promote it. ISIS had been defeated in the Philippines. Paulo Cruzada, Me, during the time, I've been lesson that from Teacher May. In current events, I know Teacher May is pro Duterte. Oh, just like Joseph Maspinas. So, Teacher May, we discuss about current events, about the Marawi siege. Oh, during the time of Rodrigo Duterte administration, he neutralized all the ISIS leaders such as Omar Maute and Itzilon Hapilon. During the time of Rodrigo Duterte administration. And during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, he continued war on drugs to fight against illegal drug lords, like drug lords or illegal drugs. Mostly drug lords who were narcotic, such as Kerwin Espinosa. Oh, at least Teacher May Tiburcio had supported the 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 administration of Rodrigo Duterte. She supported Rodrigo Duterte efforts to fight against Maute ISIS, Abu Sayyaf, and she also supported Rodrigo Duterte war on drugs to fight against drug lords and narcotic politicians. Oh, what are you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada? Are you opposing war on drugs of Rodrigo Duterte? Are you opposing of Rodrigo Duterte to fight against terrorism like ISIS? Oh, Rodrigo Duterte is fighting against ISIS in the Philippines, like Maute Group. He's fighting against terrorist groups. Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, you need to stop promoting terrorism. Your mother claims you are a special child. Nachunaya Kiana says. And J-Rick says to me, hindi po yan special child si Paulo Cruzada. May terrorista na may special child named Paulo Cruzada. What the hell is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? Do you want to be like a gunman in the Bondi Beach who killed innocent Australian Jewish who were non-Israelis? Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop promoting ISIS like terrorist groups. Remember, ISIS is really worse than Khmer Rouge. In Cambodia, Khmer Rouge had killed thousands of Cambodians who were communist. ISIS are Salafists who were radical. They killed Iraqis like Shias and Sunni Muslims, even Coptic Christians or Catholics who were Iraqis, even the Iraqi Judaism, who were Jewish. What is else wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? You need to stop promoting ISIS. Kuya Bear says to me, the ISIS in the Philippines were defeated by Rodrigo Duterte. There will be no longer terrorists in Mindanao. I say again, Paulo Cruzada, you need to stop with promoting your fucking ISIS anyway. Or else, I will tell it to Teacher May. I will tell it to Teacher Marisa. You need to stop what you're doing. Buddy Castro and Wawel Romero are very angry at you. Even Jens Manaid, Ibet Jurado, Crystal Dulce Jurado, even the rest of my CDIFI schoolmates, they are angry at you. Jens doesn't like terrorism. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, manahimik ka na lang. I do not like terrorism. Jens and I, we do not like terrorism. We support Rodrigo Duterte to fight against terrorism.